Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I have in the shop, I believe it's a 2013, 14 maybe. Let me check real quick, just to not give you false information. Manufactured date November 12th. So yeah, a 2013 Dodge Journey with a 3.6 liter, and then a 6-speed transmission. So they're complaining about a noise in the engine bay. They don't think it's engine related, and from listening to it, I pretty much know what it is, just because familiar noise. Not in the specific vehicle, but I've heard it on other vehicles. But yeah, let's fire it up. You could kind of hear it right now. Well, they're saying if you shift it and accelerate it and whatnot, it starts getting louder. Alright, there we go. Let's get it up in the air. So it's loudest between the transmission and engine, and kind of pinpoint it more towards the transmission. Almost sounds like there's something in there bouncing around. I already used the bore scope, looked around, didn't see anything. The cover was already missing, so they so customer believes might have got a rock or dirt or something in there. Let me bring it back down, shut it off, and we'll look in there again. Alright, so you look in there, you see the culprit, a cracked flywheel, flex plate. I already rotated the engine, and there's cracks on other locations. So what's going on is it's flexing and causing a chatter, knocking noise, whatever you want to call it. But now, call the customer, see if they approve it, and then we'll go from there.